It looks like it's that time of year again. The time of the year where I don't really care what I wear. I mean, for the most part, most of the year I don't. And a lot of the times what I wear doesn't match. But it's that time of the year where I wear pajamas. Pajamas and sweaters and things that just do not match. And sometimes I go out to shop or I go somewhere, and people ask me, why are you wearing such mismatched clothes or things that just don't go together? And I ask them, why are you so concerned? I mean, I didn't think my dress attire or my pajamas was of such high regard and concern of those around me, but for the most part, I just dress comfortable. I dress how I want, and at the moment, I have these blue sweatpants on. They've got kind of like a square pattern on them, and for some reason there's like, I think it looks like geese or something on them. I can't quite make out what they are, but anyways, they're comfortable, and I've got several different pairs of pajamas, and it's comfortable. I mean, I don't mind going out sometimes, dressing nice, or if it's like a 5-star restaurant or something. But for the most part, I dress for convenience and the ability to be comfortable and to move around. Just like in the summer, I wouldn't want to wear a big suit and all dressed up when it's 105 degrees out. I like to dress according to the weather and to be comfortable. But yeah, I think this time of the year, I've got more time to think about things and to relax. And I'm indoors a lot more, so I don't really go out and do things as often. So I spend more time inside, drawing, thinking about life, thinking about art, and doing what I can to improve and just having fun along the way. And of course, wearing comfortable pajamas as always. Have a good day.